Well, global investors have largely sat out the rally that's made South Korean stocks Asia's second best performers this year. That might soon change, though. Asia stocks reporter Young Lee joins us now with more. So, Young, global investors have still been selling Korean equities, and that's despite the Kospi's 10% rally. So, why is that, and when might they make a comeback?
Sure. Good morning. So yes, the Kospi has been the best performer in Asia outside the high-flying Chinese stocks in Hong Kong. But it looks like the foreign investors have been still selling the Korean equities for about 8 months in a row. So that is the longest selling streak that we have seen since 2008. But that might change pretty soon, because there are several factors that could be more positive to the South Korean stock market. Number one, we're going to soon see the court's verdict on the impeached president's face as soon as next week, and that could further clear the political uncertainties and bring the political drama to some sort of conclusion, which would be positive for a lot of global investors. So we are expecting some kind of a risk on and some relief rally if the Constitutional Court indeed upholds the impeachment on the President Yoon Suk-yeol, and that could also bring more foreign investors. And another factor that we're watching is the upcoming resumption of short selling on March 31st, and a lot of investors expect this would bring a lot more long-short investors in overseas, and who could place more long-term bets on the South Korean stock market.
So the political element at play, but one of the specific stocks that we're watching when trading gets started, Hanwha Aerospace, was a bit of a surprise share sale announcement.
Indeed, it was. The share has rallied more than 120% so far this year, and it has been the best performer in Asia and in South Korea as well. And this defense stock has made a surprise announcement yesterday in the 2.5 billion share sale, which will be the largest in 3 years. And given the scope and the size of this share sale, it's definitely going to put a big burden on the share price, increase the volatility, at least in the short term. And a lot of investors will likely be unhappy about this, given the discount that the share price is going to be priced at. So a lot of investors are expecting a big share sinking at the opening. So we'll be watching that. Although, given that the Hanwha is aiming to raise capital, the company may have to try to support the share price to succeed the share sale.
All right, Asia Stocks reporter Young Lee there.